morning. It is a beautiful day here at Option Pit. I hope you're doing well. I'm Mark Sebastian. Reminder, big event coming up in call it 10 days. Options trading for stock traders. If you trade stocks, this is why you should not. It's going to be a great course. If you haven't had a chance to check it out, do. And my previous two kind of directional trading webinars are both on that page as well, so you can see everything that I've done. And if I'm, it's some good stuff, so check it out. All right, folks, on that note, let's get down to business. You go to optionpit.com/events to register. All right, so now let's talk about ADP. ADP came in huge, way better than expected. S&P is booming higher. All right. One of the things I kind of said on the blog yesterday was kind of seems like the market is just expecting a rally at some point. And, here you have it. The S&P up 20, a nice 1% rally. You're getting some drop in VIX. It's still somewhat backward. Not a huge surprise on any level. But still, kind of funny. And then a little sell-off in VIX. Nothing crazy. 1% rally. Maybe you'd expect the VIX to be back into the 18s, but with all the turmoil over the last couple of days, I would be less than shocked that it's backed off like this. I mean, really less than shocked that it's not backing off that much. I think there's a lot of reasons to continue to own options. I think I would want the market to prove it before I would be a huge buyer of these markets. That said, Jan's about back to where the 1880, right back about where it was, about normal. So kind of interesting that the way things are trading here. And we've got UVXY and VXX. You can see we've had. Take a look at the returns. This is going to be, I think, hopefully helpful. A lot of people say, well, I don't understand why, Mark, you like UVXY now more than you like VXX. Well, let's just compare returns. VXX. And do you see what's going on here? We've got, if you look at how this thing has moved, all right, VXX has actually managed to, over a period of time, actually move itself permanently higher and is showing some performance strength that you just don't see out of UVXY, and then it doesn't get murdered in the same way as UVXY. So I think that's really why you can see that, this thing really does cycle itself much lower than VXX on when futures are in backwardation. Now they're not right now, right? You got a flat curve. The VIX is down less than 2 despite a 1% rally. So today's not the day they're going to bring vol in by that much. Maybe at the end of the day. You might see one of those end-of-day VIX falls a point things and futures give away some. But I'm not a believer that you're going to see a VIX down 3 or 4 or 5. All right? I think 2.5 is about the best you're going to be. What you'll see is then if we have a follow-up day or a couple of follow-up days, they'll hammer things on Thursday and Friday. All right, folks. For the rest of the day, I think this could be one of those short squeezes where we end up 30 for sure. It's amazing how we bounce off that 100-day moving average like it's a jump rope, trampoline, yet again. It just goes to show you the 100-day moving average. Everybody's still watching it. Don't forget it. All right, folks, on that note, I will be back shortly. And if you've got questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com. All right, folks, I will talk to you soon.